उतरने का दो। अमीशा जी इधर ही मैम, इधर अमीशा जी इधर ही रुकिए। मैम रुकिए, इधर।
लुक सेंटर, नाइस लुकिंग।
मैम इधर।
मैम कैसे हो मैम?
अमीशा जी इधर देखिए। अमीशा जी ऐसे टर्न होइए ना।
अमीशा माई कैमरा लुक।
थैंक यू।
चलो वहाँ से
Amisha Patel here with us. Well, she has wowed us with us calling upon Adani Wilmar Limited, title partner. Please join us here. Come on, be quick. Please join us.
मोबाइल जरा पीछे हो जाओ सब लोग।
Next, Patanjali Foods Limited. Please join us. Be quick to join us. Patanjali Foods.
अरे आप लोग साइड हो जाओ।
All right, so we have Indonesian palm oil. Please join us here. Now we are calling upon RSPO. Please join us. Powered by and Sustainability Partners. All right, so we have ST Gutierrez International. Can we have them here with us? Please join us here. I think they were here with us. Yes, please join us. All right. So we are going ahead with DP World. DP World, are you here with us? DP World, if you are here, please join us. Now we are going ahead with Alana Fal Ifco. Are you here with us? Alana Fal Ifco. All right, we are going ahead with NK Proteins Private Limited. NK Protocol, are you here with us? Please join us. Liberty Oils Mills Limited, our platinum partner. Liberty Oil Mills Limited. Okay, going ahead with Bunge India Private Limited. Bunge India Private Limited. Okay, Alpha Laval. Okay, can we go ahead with West Africa African Soy Industries Limited?
अरे क्या कैमरा? अरे मोबाइल।
Next we have Godrej Industries Limited. Next we have Arise Integrated Industrial Platforms. Well, now recognizing Savera International Pte Limited. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Next, calling upon Fortune Natural Resources. Then we are going ahead with our gold partner, Mirator. Can we keep clapping for all our partners and sponsors? Come on everyone out here. Thank you so much. And now we are going ahead with Sunwind Group, our gold partner. Are they here with us? Sunwind Group. Alright. Next we are going ahead with here with us. Yes, please join us. Next we are going ahead with GGN International. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? GGN International are they? Next we are going ahead with Control Union. Control Union, our gold partner. Please join us. Yes. Our next gold partner is Oil Mackler Commodities Private Limited. Congratulations. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Next we are going ahead with Meva Oils and Fats PTE Limited. Are they here? Okay. So we are going ahead with Louis Dreyfus Company. Are they here with us? Okay, we are going ahead with our next gold partners, that is Gemini Edibles and Fats India Limited. Do we have them here with us? Alright. We are going ahead with our next gold partner, that is Transgraph Consulting Private Limited. Alright. We are going ahead with our next gold partner, that is McDonald Pels Global Commodities LLC. Are they here with us? Is MCX joining us? Please give them space. Ma'am, please. Can we have huge claps? Thank you. Now we are going ahead with our knowledge partner, Greenleaf. Our knowledge partner, Greenleaf. Alright, so we are heading with our silver partner, Mahesh Edible Oil Industries Limited. Are they here with us? Okay, so we are going ahead with our next silver partner, Hercules Hoist Limited. That was the first time I think I had seen such a beautiful face in Bollywood.
I've gone on her, but it takes a lot of all my fans' love and support to keep this smile going. The fact that lovely people like you love me, want to see me again and again, it's the most heartening thing for an actor. And I hope to see you again and again in such a way. You're wearing my favorite color, by the way, you're in pink. So thank you everyone once again, and hope to see you very soon.
Now inviting on stage Mr. Aseem Singh. Can we have huge claps everyone out here? Come on, raise your hands up. And Mr. Kunal, join us on stage, please.
Well, I think Global Oil has done this event with so much love and affection, and acknowledging the people that are associated with you in your journey and giving them this platform to thank them for their hard work, I think is a great thing on their part, to have an event especially to acknowledge their hard work throughout the year. And for inviting me, it's lovely to be here on such a lovely platform, and Global Oil has really done a wonderful job. Thank you. Well, talent should support talent, hard work should support hard work. I think that's the way this world should be. Gadar 2, I think I don't need to say much about Gadar 2. गदर ने गदर ही मचा दी, पार्ट 1 से भी और पार्ट 2 से दोबारा, क्योंकि आप सब लोग ने हमको तारा सिंह सकीना को दोबारा बहुत सारा प्यार दिया. थैंक यू.
Alright, so let me tell all of you, there is a big tribute for our very fabulous, beautiful, gorgeous act.
Such a huge fan.
सिर्फ तू और मेरा क्या?
God, we have.
Look at this gorgeous beauty. यहाँ पर सीटियां जोरों से बजनी है दोस्तों, तालियां और सीटियां जोरों से बजनी है। देखते हैं ऑडियंस में कितना जान है, क्योंकि हमेशा यहाँ पर बोल रही है कि कहो ना
प्यार है।
Come on, friends. All right. So Lekha, this is like a dream moment for me because I watched her in that first movie and I went gaga for this gorgeous lady. So, Amisha, I hope you remember this is your second time.
That I'm back again says it all. Had it been a bad experience, I don't think there would have been a second time, right?
Amisha ma'am, I would quickly like to ask you, how's the success of Gadar going on?
Well, Gadar is Gadaring and Gadar hamesha Gadar hi machati hai. I think that Gadar won Tara and Sakina, the love that the audiences gave them and the place that Tara and Sakina created in the hearts and minds of all the audiences. I think Gadar 2 is testimony of that fact because Gadar 1 broke all box office records, went on to become the biggest hit in the history of Indian cinema, and then last year, with the blessings of God, blessings of Almighty, and of course, the love for Tara and Sakina, your lovely people made Gadar 2 again the love and the complete passion of the audiences and made it the biggest blockbuster in the history again. So I couldn't have asked for more. Yes, everywhere I go, this time round, it's not Amisha anymore, it's not Amisha ma'am, it's like Sakina ji, Sakina ji, Sakina ji. Or like Tara Singh formerly called Sakina in the film Madam Ji. So that has become my identity more so than ever this time.
Absolutely, we keep hearing of Sakina traveling all over the world and stuff like that. It is so amazing to see that. Though, Amisha.
I'd like to first of all take this opportunity to thank all of you for making this evening so special with such a warm welcome, and of course Global Oil for such a wonderful, function that they have where they acknowledge the hard work of all the people that they've done over the year, and that's very important, because to give so much of your precious time and energy and to be rewarded for that. Companies step up and do that, and Global Oil is one of them. They really do know how to keep everybody happy and appreciated. And it's my second time around here, so I can tell you that they're a wonderful, wonderful organization, and it's wonderful for me to be here.
And it's wonderful having you here, Amisha ji, once again. 27 years here, we're growing, and we're looking forward to you coming over more and more. You're always welcome, and we wish you all the very best. We're looking forward to a lot more of your spectacular success.
Rohan, can I have one small request?
Of course.
Amisha ma'am, it's not too much to ask for. I would really like to dance with you on Kaho Na Pyar Hai. I mean, I just love that step. I just love it. Can I get the music, guys?
But then the beautiful girl knows I can't say no.
Oh my gosh. लेकिन ये लोग ताली नहीं बजा रहे, come on, जोरों से ताली बजानी है. All right, we have DJ Sonal here with us, who's going to give us the track in a short while from now. लेकिन तब तक यार, हम लोग अगर कहो ना बोलेंगे तो आपको बोलना है प्यार है, और जितना जोर से बोलेंगे उतने में डीजे का की खुलेगा, यानी कि was indeed so spectacular. I was standing there and watching, just like I watched you in the cinema halls, really. And Lekha, you have any more requests, or do we make Amisha
I think she has done like
comfortable?
really enough for me. Thank you so very much.
Let's escort Amisha ma'am down. Let Be comfortable and watch the rest of the show here. And here you are, ma'am. Thank you so very much. तो लिखा और क्या लिखा है आज के इस